Hi guys, we're testing out the Capresso Infinity coffee grinder. There's 16 settings here. This is the extra fine, medium, and coarse. That's extra fine here is set for the Turkish. Then you have espresso and so forth. And here is the timer that goes up to 10, lasts about 20-30 seconds, and usually dictates obviously how much coffee you want to grind. So we're gonna set it on extra fine, which is the Turkish coffee setting. We're gonna set the timer to 5, and that way you can hear how loud it is, and we'll see what the results entail. After setting to 5 for the duration, it goes up to 10. This will give you about 1 serving of coffee right there. We got this machine at Costco. It retails for $86. And I hope you like my video. Thumbs up.